Today, we're going to discover what a peel paragraph is. You'll learn how useful they are and how easy they are to write. In this tutorial, we'll focus on writing a single peel paragraph. Let's get started. A peel paragraph is a way of organizing and structuring your writing. Peel paragraphs help you to express your knowledge and thoughts in a clear and persuasive manner. They do this by presenting your thoughts in a special order, making it easy for others to read and understand. The peel paragraph structure is simple to learn and easy to remember, because it uses the mnemonic peel. The P stands for point. Begin by explaining the point you want to make, the topic of the paragraph. In other words, what the paragraph will be all about. The first E stands for evidence. Here, you support your point with evidence. This evidence could be data, an expert's opinion, facts that you have learnt, or recalling a personal experience. The second E stands for explanation. Explain how the evidence you provided supports your point. L, link. The last sentence should link back to your point. It concludes the paragraph by tying everything together. Let's look at an example of all this in action.
What the?
Start by making it clear to the reader the point of the paragraph. Camping is something that every child should do. It's an opportunity to experience the great outdoors. This opening makes it clear that I'm writing about the benefits of going camping. Next, the evidence. Last summer, my family and I went camping next to a lake. We set up a tent, made a cozy campfire, and roasted marshmallows. We even saw a sky full of stars. It was a thrilling outdoor experience. Here, I have recalled a personal experience to give the reader evidence that camping has positive benefits. Now, the explanation. It made me realize that camping is more than just sleeping in a tent. It's a time to disconnect from screens and connect with nature. This explains how the evidence supports my main point. And finally, the link. So go and explore nature's playground, whether it's building a campfire, spotting wildlife, or stargazing. Camping creates memories that last a lifetime. This ties the paragraph together by encouraging the reader to have a go at camping themselves. Let's work through one more example. The point. The idea of visiting Mars, while exciting to many, is not something I would like to do. Evidence for this. According to NASA, Mars is about 480 million kilometers away, so getting there would take about 7 months. Explaining how this evidence links to my point. I already get a bit bored on aeroplanes that only go halfway around the world. Link it all together. To me, it makes sense to let others travel to Mars and simply watch the videos they send back to Earth. A peel paragraph is a simple structure to use. Follow this order as you compose your paragraph. Point, evidence, explanation, link. If you're having difficulty starting each of your sentences, these starters may help. For formal writing, use these. And for informal writing, try these.